Let's add polynomials. A polynomial is simply an expression, multiple terms put together, joined together by addition and subtraction. So when we add polynomials, we're just taking, so this here is a polynomial. It happens to be a trinomial because there are 3 terms, and we're going to add it to the second one. Basically, when you're adding polynomials, you're just kind of combining like terms. Because if you think about what this looks like, this is like a plus 1 times the entire polynomial. Well, this is, you'd like distribute a 1. It doesn't change anything. So this is really the same as x squared minus 3x plus 7 plus 6x squared plus 4x minus 2. I can rewrite these without parentheses. That's not a problem. And now I want to find my like terms. So I start with I have an x squared. Are there any other x squareds? Yes, I have 6x squared. Well, remember, if there's nothing in front, it's automatically a 1. So I have 1x squared plus 6x squared gives me 7x squared. Next term, I have a minus 3x. I also have a plus 4x. Minus 3 plus 4 gives me a plus 1x. Then I have a plus 7 and a minus 2. My constants go together. And 7 minus 2 is a positive 5. So that addition of those polynomials is 7x squared plus x plus 5. Now I have 3x minus 4y plus 2 plus negative 2x plus 6. Great. Some people really like to rewrite it without parentheses because it just looks better. I'm down with that. Whatever you would like. So remember, when you like add a negative, it's the same as subtraction. A negative and a subtraction sign are the same. Let's look at our like terms. So 3x minus 2x. Remember, the sign in front always stays with it. So 3 minus 2 gives me a 1x. Then I've got negative 4y, no other y's. So just minus 4y. And then my constants. I have a plus 2 and a plus 6 gives me a plus 8. You'll notice I circled some like terms. I used squiggly lines. I used kind of a boat or like an underscore parenthesis. Use some kind, you can use color, whatever you want, so that you can have a visual of what like terms go together. And let's do here just this one more. 7x cubed minus 2x plus 4 plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 9. All right, I'm going to rewrite this. I really like them without parentheses. I just feel like it makes it a little less intimidating. The parentheses make it look like there's more to do than there actually is. First step. I always start with my first term because that's just kind of how I roll. I have 7x cubed, exponent of 3. Are there any other terms with an exponent of 3? No. So I just have 7x cubed. And now I'm going to deviate from what I literally just said. I like my final answer to be in order, in exponent least to greatest. So here I had 7x cubed, exponent of 3. Do I have any terms with an exponent of 2? And I'm like, well, here's a 2x squared, and that's it. So I would have plus 2x squared. The next exponent would be that of a 1. So just the variable. So I would have negative 2x, and I have negative 5x. So negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7x. And then the last step, I have positive 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. And then we have ourselves a final answer polynomial, and this is what we call standard form because the exponents are in order greatest all the way down to the least being x to the 0, which is the constant. So that puts things in order, and that's how we add polynomials.